we are going to try TeckWrapCraft Puff Vinyl. And I mean, I know I saw the end result and I love how it looks. I have tried other brands of Puff Vinyl, and by far, this is my favorite, by far. I loved how it looks, and you will see it as well. As usual, when you open a roll from TeckWrap, you will see the specifications of the vinyl you're gonna work with. They give you always recommendations on which settings you should use for each machine and all that. We are going to make a design from Cricut Design Space, and you will see how it looks. I have other colors, but today I am going to use the gray one. Know for sure we're going to use these other colors in future videos. So let's get to work. This is the design I'm going to use from Cricut Design Space, and I noticed they recommend to use, I have a Cricut Maker, so they recommend to use holographic vinyl as our setting to cut on a Cricut Maker. So that's what I'm going to choose in here to cut my vinyl. My vinyl is already cutted, so I am going to weed the vinyl and press with my heat press, and let's see how it looks. TeckWrap recommends to press the vinyl for 15 seconds on a temperature of 310. I did it for 15 seconds and didn't work for me, so I had to press it again for 15 seconds more. I really love the texture. I have said before that I have used other brands of Puff Vinyl, and by far I really love how this one looks. Yeah, we have to make some adjustment on that design, but other than that, the texture on the Puff Vinyl is perfect. I really love it. So I hope you liked it. Remember that you can subscribe to this channel, and you can save this video for future references. You can find this Puff Vinyl on TeckWrapCraft.com. Thank you so much for watching. This was Arlene. Have a great day.